Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you can give me a huge thumbs up. So I actually made a slime. It's right here, and let's play with it. A very good and stretchy slime. And all it used was some Model Magic clay, paint, and glue, and borax and water, hot water. And that was this recipe. I don't know what they call it, like an Instagram swirl or a poopy swirl. I'm gonna do that. This is a very good slime. Alright, now I'm gonna take my hands and go with it. Wanna make it bigger. Gonna make it bigger, gonna make it bigger. Alright, this looks like a good swirl. Alright, so. Yeah, this was the slime. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I'm going to put a few more seconds on it. There we go. I'm going to do a big swirl. Woo! And I don't know if you guys can hear it, but. And that was the whole video, so thanks for watching and bye.